guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're here for the very first time, hi, my name is Madhavi and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to create this look right here. I came up with this look for Onam, which is on Monday, which is 31st of August. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I used all drugstore and affordable products to create this look, and I've mentioned all the products that I've used in the video in the description box below, so you can check it out. So if you're interested in knowing how I got this look, then please keep on watching. But before we proceed into the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me. Now without any much further ado, let's get started. Alright, so let's start. I'm going to start by moisturizing first, and for moisturizer I'm going to take my favorite Pond's Super Light Gel, and I'm going to moisturize my skin really well before applying any product on my face. Now I'm going to apply primer to my face, and for primer I'm taking Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. I'm gonna take very little. I'm not gonna apply this primer to my whole face, so I'm gonna apply it to my problem areas wherever I have pore issue, and a little bit on my eyes. So I want my base makeup to be a little bit dewy and not matte. So for that I'm going to take LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation. I'm gonna take a little at the back of my hand, and then I'm going to dot it all over my face. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend the foundation out. So I've applied the foundation to my face and my neck, but it's only one layer of foundation and I don't want to overdo it because it's a festive makeup, and usually in festivals we have to do a lot of puja, and I don't want the makeup melting away, so that's why I'm going to keep it to one layer of foundation. I can still see through my acne scars, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, my favorite, in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm gonna just dot it on the acne scars, and I'm also going to conceal my under eye area. So I'm going to blend the concealer with the help of my PAC 272 brush. So now I'm going to set my face, and I'm not going to actually set my whole face. I'm going to set my eye area and around my mouth, and for that I'm going to use Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to do so. So I'm going to dip my beauty blender into the powder and I'm going to apply it under my eyes. Now I'm going to do my brows, and for brows I'm going to use my favorite brow product, that is Miss Claire Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I'm going to do my eye makeup now, and for that I'm using Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette in the number 04, and this has been my latest obsession, you guys. I've been loving this, and a review is coming on this eyeshadow palette very soon on my channel, so stay tuned. So first up, I'm going to pick up this shade from the palette with my large fluffy brush, and I'm going to place it right above my crease as my transition shade. Then with the help of my small eyeshadow brush, I'm going to pick up this color from the palette and I'm gonna place it in the outer V of my eye and in the crease of my eye. So I'm trying to keep the look as simple as possible. Now I'm going to pick up the same crease shade, the shade which I applied in my crease, and I'm going to place it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush and I'm going to buff out all the edges so that there are no sharp lines visible. Now for my lid, I'm going to take this orange color from the palette with the help of the same brush with which I applied the transition shade, and I'm going to place it on top of my lid. Now I'm taking my small blending brush again and I'm going to pick up the same crease color and I'm going to apply it on the outer V of my eye and in the crease just to deepen it. Now I'm going to take this beautiful golden shade. I'm just going to show you how beautiful it is. So I'm going to take this, wow, I mean, look at that. So I'm going to take this golden shade and I'm going to apply it on the eyelids. Now I'm going to apply the eyeliner, and for that I'm taking my favorite and absolute favorite Lakme Insta Liner. Now I'm going to apply kajal on my lower lash line as well as my upper lash line, that is my upper waterline basically. So, and for that I'm going to use Lakme Iconic Kajal. For mascara, I'm going to use L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. Time for contour, and for that I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Now with the same beauty blender, I'm going to dip into the banana powder of this palette and I'm going to place it right here. Now I'm going to apply blush, and for blush I'm taking Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in the shade Mellow Wine. Now time for my favorite step, that is highlighter, and for that I'm going to use my favorite Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. For my lip shade today, I'm going to use Swiss Beauty Matte Lip in the shade Cafe. I quite like this lip color. And with the same lip color, I also put a small bindi on my forehead. So with that, the look is complete. And now I'm going to put on some jewelry and wear my sari and be right back. Oh, I forgot to use the setting spray, so I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Natural Finish setting spray to set my makeup. So this is the finished look, you guys, and with that we have come to the end of this video. I really hope that this video helped you out and gave you some idea for the Onam makeup, and I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends and comment in the comment section down below telling me how did you find this look. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would mean the absolute world to me, and a very happy Onam to all of you in advance. I shall see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.